Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that affects many pregnant women. Gestational diabetes. If you're dealing with gestational diabetes, you're not alone. This condition affects up to 10% of pregnancies in the world and can have serious health consequences if left untreated. But the good news is that with proper management, you can have a healthy pregnancy and delivery. So, let's get started with some tips and tricks for managing gestational diabetes. Tip number 1. Eat a balanced diet. One of the most important things you can do to manage gestational diabetes is to eat a balanced diet that's rich in nutrients and low in sugar and processed foods. Focus on lean proteins, whole grains, and lots of fresh fruits and veggies. And don't forget to stay hydrated with plenty of water. Tip number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is not only good for your overall health, but it can also help manage gestational diabetes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise each day, such as walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga. Talk to your healthcare provider about the best exercise routine for you. Tip number 3. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is essential for managing gestational diabetes. Your healthcare provider will likely recommend checking your levels several times a day, and may prescribe medication or insulin if needed. Don't skip these important checks, and be sure to follow your healthcare provider's recommendations. Tip number 4. Get plenty of rest. Pregnancy can be exhausting, and getting plenty of rest is important for managing gestational diabetes. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and don't be afraid to take breaks throughout the day if you need them. With these tips and tricks, you can successfully manage gestational diabetes and have a healthy pregnancy and delivery. Remember to stay in touch with your healthcare provider, and don't hesitate to ask for help or support when you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thank you.